Welcome everyone to the June edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and beautiful day here in Greenville. Actually, I just want to take a second and thank all the veterans. We're filming this actually on Memorial Day, so I want to thank all the veterans for their sacrifices, and especially for the ones that didn't come back home. We really do appreciate all of you. And I just want to acknowledge that. So this month, a lot of stuff going on the newsletter. I have a really good video on the whiteboard. I kind of jump into the debate, is railroad retirement enough to want to work for the railroad, right? So, you know, railroads recruiting people, trying to get people to come in. And I just look at it from a financial perspective, the benefits of a career railroader and what that, you know, the benefits that you really do get. It's a good video to get, share with other railroaders that you think might be looking to jump into it. Then on my mailbag, I have, with 32 years at 56, what happens to railroad retirement if I quit, right? So a lot of people, railroaders will quit after the 30 years, but the annuity doesn't start to 60, so they want to know what happens to the railroad retirement. So check that video out. I have a good chart going back to those early retirees. What issues should I consider when owning a rental property, right? Rental property is another great way to build that bridge to early railroad retirement through a rental property. So that's something to take a look at if you own any rental properties or are thinking about owning rental properties as building away the bridge. And then finally, the economic chart of the month is money market assets at a historic peak, right? So a lot of people got really nervous once in 2022 in that market, very brutal downturn. So they're seeing interest rates coming up now and they say, I'm not even gonna put my money in the market. I'm just going to put it in the interest rate bearing accounts like money markets and get my 4.5%, 5% a year and not worry about that. So take a look at that chart and it shows you what happens to the markets when people park their money on the cash. It's very, very interesting stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video this month, and we'll see you next month, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.